You can't think your way out of a desperate situation. You can't just hope and pray that maybe one day your life will be better. And one day you will pursue the things that you want to pursue. Life that does not change by you simply hoping for it to change. No one is coming to save you. The earlier you understand this, the better. Because life does not reward. Now, life rewards action, not intelligence. That's the right quote. Life rewards action, not intelligence. You might argue with me. We have a lot of intelligent, successful people. Yes, we do. We do have a lot of successful, intelligent people. But if you look closely to their lives, you'll realize that they also, the successful, intelligent people, they also took the necessary steps, the necessary work, the necessary action to materialize their ideas. They weren't stuck in their heads pondering what could be without taking any action. Case in point, Elon Musk, right? We can definitely say that he's a brilliant and intelligent person. But if he didn't do the work to actually prove everybody else that he can also fly rockets to space successfully, even though he's not NASA. If he didn't do the work necessary for his electric cars to improve what it is today, then maybe we won't know him as one of the richest, most powerful men of our time. And I get it, we're not Elon Musk. But just like Elon Musk, we can take control of our lives. I did this video for me personally to remind myself of the work that is needed to be done. Because throughout this week, I find myself forgetting why I needed to do this, why I needed to be consistent, why I need to put the work. I want to retire my parents. I've forgotten that this past week. And I get it. It won't be easy. There will be a lot of distractions. I still have a 9 to 5 job. And that takes a huge portion of my day. But if I want to change my life, to genuinely achieve that financial freedom, I need to put on the work. I also need to understand that there's a possibility, a big possibility, that I would fail. But realize that this is the minimum requirement for us to achieve that purpose. This is the minimum requirement for us to really change our lives. And so this is just a short video to remind me of that. Anyway, that's all I got. See you in the next one.